Papa eat too much of it?
Yes, like that I can't eat a lot, and every time I'm sad because of Papa eat too much.
So you have to tell Papa to slow down and don't eat too much, okay?
Okay.
Alright, ready again? What are we doing this morning?
Supermarket haul.
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night.
Hi guys.
You guys, babe woke up this morning and went to the supermarket early as usual. That's what we've been doing every 2 weeks these days. So it's another 2 week supermarket haul. Ready?
Yes.
And of course, Tyler loves doing the supermarket haul, but he can't touch anything. So we're gonna do the usual, yes?
When I can do my Sudoku, and today
After.
I can have my turkey soup.
Maybe. Okay?
Okay.
This boy been asking me to make a turkey soup. Like what? Don't know where he get that from, but anyway, I'll make his turkey soup for him if Papa find the turkey, alright? Sarah is taking a nap, so Tyler and I are gonna hurry up and try and do this haul before Sarah wake up. So first thing, what did we get?
Egg.
Because we eat a lot of egg around here, right? And I'm just gonna show you guys everything so I can go ahead and sanitize because it's a lot of work. Anyway, before we go ahead and see this haul, hopefully you guys are subscribed. Double check to make sure that you're subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to our channel right now. Give this video a thumbs up. You'll comment down below after the supermarket haul and tell us which part of it was your favorite. Of course, I know you guys gonna see in Thailand. Tyler is funny. Anyway, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go fast, alright?
Yes. Quinoa.
Hey.
Quinoa.
And something will be in double, so if I don't show it to you, just know that you guys already see it. All right?
Favorite.
He's a favorite because it's indeed his favorite. This is French normally have something sweet for breakfast with some hot chocolate.
I'm not the one of that over there.
There's many more. Normally have something sweet for breakfast with hot chocolate or tea, and this is one of Tyler's and Babe's favorite things to have for breakfast. It is called peach.
So eat too much.
It's basically a
Like
brioche with chocolate.
Mama,
Papa eat too much of it?
Yes, like that I can't eat a lot, and every time I'm sad because of Papa eat too much.
So you have to tell Papa to slow down and don't eat too much, okay?
Okay.
Alright, ready again?
Bullet!
Meatball. Baby, meatball.
Red pasta.
What? Is beef mince. Ooh.
Almond nuts?
No, it's peanuts.
Oh.
Cacao. What's this?
I don't know.
It's oats mix for Mama.
Oh.
Alright.
Chicken. 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 Chicken.
Chicken. Let me just put those back in the bag because
Every time it's the chicken.
These going around our other fridge. Chicken.
Quack, 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 chicken.
Okay.
Oh, celery.
Celery. Not celery. Celery.
Oh.
What's this?
Fry sauce.
No.
Fries?
Fries sauce? No. It's oil for the fryer.
Oh. Who's the fryer of the fries?
Right. What's this?
Olympio.
What is Olympio? Don't touch my
What
hand.
you drink?
Is wine for Mama and Papa favorite wine. Okay, we saw this already. Okay, what's this?
Double cheese.
Cheese.
One is twice the double.
Okay.
Chocolate for my tea. Baking soda for my porridge.
No, baking soda don't go in porridge. It's still milk for your porridge.
Coconut milk.
Hey, good in time.
Soap.
No,
Baby glove.
it's sanitizer.
Oh. You can use that one.
Yeah.
Potato.
Sweet potato, this one. What is this?
Almond nuts.
Very good. Alright. Okay. This one.
Yogurt for me.
More yogurt.
Yogurt.
Fish.
Fish.
And we have
Fries.
alright, let me go. Your sister's sleeping, you're too loud.
I don't know.
Wrap.
Ah,
What's this?
I don't know.
Garbage bag. Yogurt.
Yogurt. Cucumber.
Very good. I think you were gonna say tennis racket.
Compote.
Very good.
I mean double compote because there's a lot in here. Double avocado. Double tomato. Double tomato. Broccoli.
I think you were gonna say trees.
Sweet pepper.
Yes. We saw this already. Ah! Papa get his own this time, so you won't eat too much of yours. Brioche for Papa. Up! Fast!
Ball.
Let me. We saw this already. Aha!
Oil.
What? Oil? No, it's not.
I mean
Don't
double.
touch.
I mean
It's not oil.
It's what?
Soap to wash dishes.
Double soap.
Oh!
Gigantic ball.
Cabbage. We saw these already.
Gnocchi! I love gnocchi.
Papa surprised her because this wasn't on the list.
Mama,
Mm.
I love more the gnocchi than the bread.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. What?
Ham.
And this one?
I mean double ham.
No, this is ham and this is turkey.
Oh. That is
No,
turkey.
yeah, but that's not the one for the soup. That one is for the sandwich. What's this?
Donut.
We saw this already. We don't see it yet, so maybe Papa didn't find it. Biscuit for Tyler. Let's go to another bag. We've seen that already. We've seen this already. Oh,
Why Papa buy so much things?
because you eat a lot. Don't you eat a lot? Mama, I'm hungry. What's this?
I don't remember the word.
Tuna.
Oh, tuna.
We saw this already. What's this? Cashew.
Radish?
No, cashew. Don't hold on to my time. We saw tortilla cups. We saw this already. We saw that already. Why baby buy 2 tortilla cup? We saw this already.
Oh,
This.
banana.
Yes. This.
Color orange.
We saw this already.
Boom. Ball. Ball. Ball.
Okay, what's this?
Tuna.
No! It's chicken liver.
Oh, chicken.
We saw this already. Avocado. Okay, what's this?
Cucumber.
No, it's zucchini.
Zucchini.
What's this?
Lemon.
Very good. This
Mama?
one. What's this one?
Why don't you want to make lemonade that we have a lemon?
I can. You
Okay.
just have to ask me for it.
I want some today.
Okay. What's this?
Carrot.
Yep. Okay, everything in the bag is seen already except this. What's this?
Almond milk.
Oh, very good.
Banana. Oh, we have so much lemonade. Maybe you can blend the lemon and it will become lemonade.
No, I don't blend it, but I squeeze it. That's how you become lemonade.
So first you can squeeze it in
Okay,
water.
you guys have seen
And
all
then
these
put
already.
some water and I
And
don't remember how to do
sugar.
sugar.
Don't hold my hand.
And then water. And then sugar.
And then
And then
some
what?
ice to make it cold.
Yes. Can you
What's this?
ginger?
Yeah. What's this?
Apple. The next time I see the ginger, I will say gingerbread.
Okay. What's this?
Ooh. Rooster?
No, it's what you asked for to make the soup.
Turkey soup.
It's a turkey to make the soup.
I want to eat it.
How many things are you gonna eat? Don't hold
Mama.
on to my hand. You want turkey soup, you want lemonade, you want peach, you want everything. How many things are you gonna eat?
First,
One
I want to eat some lemonade, and then this, and then this. I want the other things that I asked.
Okay, Papa get some surprise bar for barbecue.
Oh, the pig.
Yes, it's the pig. What? The boy said the pig. You're too funny. The pig. Ooh, Papa get your favorite.
Nuggets.
Sausages for barbecue.
I mean double. Every time when it's 2 or a lot,
And
we
Papa
say
get more
double.
sausage for barbecue and more pork for barbecue.
It's not pork, it's a pig.
Okay, okay, it's a pig. So that's it for the supermarket haul. Apart
what
from
is in there?
don't touch that. Apart from juices that I didn't show you guys, orange juice, apple juice, and detergents for laundry, and we have milk for Sarah and milk for us. And yeah, that's basically, let me finish. And also paper towel, which I won't bother to show you guys. But yeah, that's the usual. Every week we basically buy the same things over and over and over. Not every week, every 2 weeks we basically buy the same things over and over. That's the same thing that you guys are seeing. Well, we're a little extra to it.
Mama, the sanitizer to sanitize all.
No, that's not the sanitizer. I'm going to use the sanitizer. It's the bottle one over there.
Oh.
Over there. He went for the hand sanitizer for me to sanitize the food. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy the haul with Mama and Tyler. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. And now I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize all this.
Mama,
Pray
I
for
want
me.
to help you.
You cannot help me to sanitize.
Please, please.
It's for your safety. You want to get coronavirus? Exactly. Tyler, you're to listen. Mama is protecting you from coronavirus. Do you understand that? Okay. That's all the things that we got at the supermarket today. I have a bunch of bags that I didn't take things out of because it's duplicate and they're going around the other fridge. So yeah, that's basically it. Everything that we got. Groceries for 2 weeks. Don't need to leave the house for the next 2 weeks, honey. Yes. Why are you smiling so much?
Just that I want to help you to put the ingredients for the lemonade.
Okay, he's excited because I'm about to make his lemonade. So come.
Wait a minute.
What?
Why don't you make lemonade for everybody?
No, because it's not everybody who wants lemonade. It's just you that wants lemonade. Come, come. Come and then you can go back to eat because I'm going to put it in the freezer so it can chill for you. Get your step. Okay.
I just had almost finished.
I know. So you're going to put sugar in there. Okay? Yes. Take the spoon.
It's
Hold
not
the spoon.
yummy lemon. Wow.
Sugar.
Mama.
Sugar. Mhm.
To make lemon confiture, we need the lemon and sugar, but we just put just 1 scoop, a little bit of sugar.
Okay, now we need to squeeze the lemon in there.
Just don't help you.
Okay, squeeze it in.
Wow. Yep. This one now. I want to taste it.
Taste this one.
Okay.
Take it, hold it, and taste it.
Yummy the juice. It's yummy.
You like it?
Yes. I
Okay.
can't eat it with my teeth.
No, but you can suck it. Not the skin. The skin will burn your tongue. Can't believe my pitney love lemon. Alright, mix it, mix it. Mix it strong because you have to mix it so all the sugar go away. Alright, you can go back and eat, and I'm gonna put this in the fridge to cool for you, okay? I haven't had lemonade in a long time.
Mama, good that we can make lemonade in France. You know why I'm saying that?
Why?
Like that, we can't just go to a country because of to do lemonade because of
Where was the first
coronavirus.
country you had lemonade in?
Jamaica.
You had lemonade in Jamaica? Who gave you lemonade in Jamaica? Me?
No,
Who?
Auntie Sania.
Oh, Auntie Chanel did.
With Justin and me, we made it. You remember?
Oh, yes, I remember. That's true. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the fridge for you. You guys, today is a lazy kitchen day for me. I decided that I am not gonna throw down no big throwdown in the kitchen today. So I throw some pizza and what we call femme couche en français, in French. So that's what dinner is gonna be, and I'm just gonna make some wrap for babe and I. Some of this, probably just one, going light today, and some cheese and some chicken. That's it for dinner today. And Tyler having these small mini pizzas here. You guys haven't seen Sarah all day. Sarah, say hello to the face. Look over there. Say hello, everybody. I am here. Just waiting on the food to get my share. You know, I'm all about the food, girl. You see the happy hands? You see the hand flap? Means saying all the food, mama. Saying all the food, mama. Yes, and the tiredness falling in because it's almost 6 p.m. So by 7 p.m. these days, I have to give her dinner. Because by 7:30, your girl eyes on 100 rubbing. 100 rubbing, and she ready for bed. In bed before 8. Out. Ty, how many mini pizzas do you want? I'm giving you 3.
That's
Okay.
what I want. Okay.
And I'm giving you 2 flamencouche.
Okay.
Alrighty, they're hot. You're gonna wait a bit.
Okay. Yes.
Alright. Where's Sarah? Sarah is ready. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna go up.
Mama,
Give them a close up of the cuteness. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl.
Mama, there's some piece to do some more mask.
Jebu.
Mama, look, there's some more piece to do some more mask.
Yes, I can do one more.
For Sarah.
Oh,